Have you ever considered owning your own business? Do you have a passion for the care and education of young children? Across the state, the current supply of childcare is inadequate in many areas to meet the needs of working families and employers. Through funding from the American Rescue Plan Act, 4C for Children is working with various communities across our region to increase the availability of childcare. By starting your own childcare program, you can make a lasting difference in the lives of children and families in your area. You and your new business will not only provide the quality childcare that is essential to children and working families, you'll also be serving the community as a whole, providing a strong foundation for growth and stability for generations. There has never been a better time to consider starting or expanding your family childcare or center-based childcare business, and 4C is ready to help. By working with 4C for Children, family childcare providers and center-based programs can start to receive group and individualized coaching and might also be eligible for additional benefits such as reimbursement for inspection and license application fees, funded health and safety training, business training, and background checks. 4C can also help determine your eligibility for child-sized furnishings and early learning materials to get started or expand your childcare business. Even the technology needed to access state licensing and quality systems online can be provided to eligible candidates. There are several requirements that candidates will need to meet to begin determining eligibility for support and additional funding. For instance, candidates must be able to meet the minimum licensing requirements for education, be able to pass background checks, and the property must have the necessary space requirements for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Larger programs may also need zoning and fire department approvals, food service licenses, and more. More information about these requirements can be found in the ODJFS rules and by visiting the 4C website on Becoming a Provider. The financial success of childcare programs is an important benefit not only to you, but also to your local community. Solid business practices can lead to a profitable business that serves children and families for many years. This success also brings stability to the lives of those operating and working in the childcare business, while helping to support other businesses in the area. However, having a childcare business is more than simply providing a space and opening the doors. Working with a 4C coach will help you to unlock the secrets of owning and operating a childcare business. Learn the foundations of a plan of operations, creating parent and employee handbooks, and establishing policies and procedures for all families, administrators, and staff to help your program remain in compliance with state licensing requirements. Your new business will require work on your part to get started and make it sustainable for the families and children you serve and your community. While financial support isn't everything you need to get licensed, it can help to remove many of the barriers new owners face in starting a new business. So how do you find out if your area has these support and funding opportunities? If you or someone you know is interested in starting or expanding a childcare business, where should they start? Scan this QR code or go to the 4C website and the Become a Provider page. Begin exploring the resource library for starting a childcare program and create an account for full access to all the support resources. One of the first things that should be done is to complete the readiness assessment to let us know about your level of interest in opening a childcare business, your experience in the field, and a little bit about your dreams of being a business owner. This helps our coaches create an individualized plan to support you on your journey. Once you have completed the readiness assessment, you will receive an automated email with recommendations of next steps that you can take. A 4C coach will then follow up within a few days to answer any questions you may have or provide tips for prioritizing your recommended tasks. Also, Feel free to browse all of the resources and documents in the library to start your journey. The 4C Become a Provider website is continuously growing by adding new content and resources you may find useful, so be sure to check back frequently. There has never been a better time to consider starting or expanding a family childcare or center-based childcare business. Start your journey today to take advantage of all the support and funding opportunities.